So this is a tour of my Ron Paulk inspired mobile workshop. Drill press on the end, metal lathe for the odd times I need to fabricate something, whiteboard, magnets to hold certain tools I grab all the time, radio holder, blue bottles from time to time rest up there, bench grinder, miter saw station, upper cubbies for a variety of tools, have lower pull-out drawers, and then I used basically melamine tape on each of the drawers so I can handwrite and change the labels of what's in there. And I even set it up with dust collection from that shop back down there, and it goes this dust uppity up here, and I ran the piping up above that goes to various stations in the trailer, like the miter saw station, drill press station has got dust collection on it. Fabricated some blast gates for it, since finding blast gates for PVC is a bit difficult. Over here I've got a router table set up into it with dust collection as well. Again, more drawers underneath, or cubbies, and cubbies up above. Then at the back is where I store my bandsaw, which is perfect for making quick cuts, or if I need to roll it out on the job site, it comes out quite nicely.